You want to be happy. Everyone does. You want peace, fulfillment, maybe even joy. But what if I told you? Your brain was never built for that. Not for contentment. Not for lasting satisfaction. Your brain was designed to survive, to escape predators, seek shelter, and find food. It wasn't optimized for joy. It was optimized for fear. Welcome to WebWhirlpool, where we dive beneath the surface of your thoughts, your habits, and your hidden wiring. Segment 1: Evolution built survivors, not optimists. Imagine you're living 50,000 years ago. You're not worried about your career or self-esteem. You're worried about the rustle in the grass that might be a predator. In that world, being anxious kept you alive. Being suspicious meant you lived to see another day. Your ancestors who relaxed too much, they didn't make it. And so your brain evolved to expect danger, to remember pain, to prioritize fear. This is called the negativity bias. Your brain gives more weight to bad experiences than good ones. An insult sticks longer than a compliment. A mistake haunts you more than a win satisfies you. That's not weakness. That's evolution. Today there are no predators in the bushes, but your brain still scans for threats. In emails, in comments, in the silence of someone not texting back. You're running survival software in a world that's mostly safe. And that dissonance, it feels like anxiety, like burnout, like emptiness. Segment 2: The dopamine trap. Dopamine is often called the pleasure chemical. But that's not quite true. It's not the chemical of happiness. It's the chemical of wanting. Dopamine spikes not when you get the reward, but when you anticipate it. It motivates you to act, to pursue, to scroll, to hunt. Once you get what you wanted, a new phone, a like, a cookie, a relationship, dopamine drops. And what happens next? You feel flat, so you chase the next thing, and the next, and the next. This is called the dopaminergic treadmill, and most of modern life is engineered to keep you on it. Social media? Dopamine. Notifications? Dopamine. One-day shipping? Dopamine. Your brain is constantly rewarded for craving, never for resting. It's not your fault you feel stuck. It's your biology, manipulated by modern design. Segment 3: The myth of permanent happiness. So what happens when you finally make it? You get the raise. You lose the weight. You find the partner. You move into the dream home. You feel a rush for a day, maybe two. And then you're back to baseline. It's not a personal failure. It's hedonic adaptation. Your brain's natural ability to get used to anything, good or bad. Why does it do this? Because novelty matters more than comfort when it comes to survival. Staying alert means staying alive. So even when life improves, your brain quickly normalizes it. So you stay motivated to keep chasing. That's why even lottery winners return to their original happiness level after a few months. And trauma survivors can eventually regain emotional balance. Your emotional thermostat snaps back, again and again. Segment 4: How modern life amplifies ancient wiring. Here's the twist. Your brain's survival features didn't break. They were hacked. Modern life exploits them constantly. Social media hijacks your tribal need for approval. Fast food hijacks your craving for high-calorie scarcity. Breaking news hijacks your instinct to scan for threats. Online shopping hijacks your reward circuits without giving you any true nourishment. Your brain is overstimulated, but underfed. We consume more information in one day than someone in the 1800s did in a year. But we feel emptier than ever. That hollow feeling? That sense that nothing really satisfies? It's your ancient hardware trying to run software from a world that no longer exists. Segment 5: Can we still be happy? Narration. If happiness isn't natural, is it even possible? Yes, but not the way you've been taught. Happiness isn't a goal, it's a byproduct. It shows up when you stop chasing it. It's in the slow walk, the unforced laugh, the moment of presence between two people, the quiet breath where you notice that, for once, you're not rushing. Your brain won't rewire itself overnight, but small changes matter. Limit dopamine hits, replace fast rewards with deep ones. Practice mindfulness, catch your thoughts before they spiral. Move your body, it calms the survival system. Connect deeply. One real conversation is worth 1,000 likes. Be bored. Your brain needs space to reset. Joy isn't loud, it's subtle, and it's patient. Your brain wasn't built for happiness. But that doesn't mean happiness is impossible. It just means it's not automatic. You have to choose it, protect it, and most of all, understand it. Because once you see how your mind works, you can stop fighting it and start working with it. This was WebWhirlpool. Thanks for diving deeper with us. If this stirred something in you, let it sit, let it settle, and above all, stay curious.